In this video, we will demonstrate how to restore the Spectrum Report Manager data. Restoring the Report Manager requires logging in as the Spectrum owner on the one-click server hosting Report Manager, which we have done already in this demonstration. Next, we need to shut down Tomcat. The shutdown must be performed from the Tomcat bin directory, so we will append the directory to the shutdown script in the command. With Tomcat shutdown, navigate to the MySQL bin directory. From the bin directory, use the MySQL dump utility to load the reporting and archive database data from an existing backup file. And remember, the data for both the reporting and archive databases is in the same backup file. Next, run the command as it appears on the screen, replacing the backup file name with the name of the backup file in your environment. This command will also export the output to the restore log. And again, the restore command we use here will restore both reporting and archive data, even though only reporting is listed in the command. Because we're entering the password for MySQL through the command line, a message will appear warning that using a password on the command line can be insecure. In this case, it is safe to disregard this message. Once the MySQL dump utility has finished restoring the reporting and archive databases, the final step is to restart Tomcat. Run the command as it appears on the screen. And with Tomcat running again, the data restore is complete. This concludes our demonstration of how to restore Spectrum Report Manager data from a backup.